Alright, we have shown how you can take individual lights and affect the settings changes within each light individually. This is quite a long process if you were to do more than just say a handful of lights. So we have a group section which makes this a lot easier. Now if automatically you'll see within the group section an all lights group, this means that all lights can be turned on and off together. They can have their colors adjusted to warm or cool. They can have their brightness dimmed down or dimmed up. And you can also set your sensor settings within the all light section as well if you so choose. Now we can also create a new group if we wish. Here we will be prompted to name the group. We'll call this group test and save it. And then you will see all of the icons of the lights that are available to be made into a new group. For our purposes in this classroom of 24 lights, we're going to choose all of the lights and hit save. The lights will flash to let you know that they're brought into the same group, and you'll be brought to the linkage settings page. Now, linkage is a light level that you can set such that when one of the lights in the group notice motion, the rest of the lights in the group will express the linkage brightness that you set. So if you come through, say, the front door, first light sees you, picks you up, will go to 100% or whatever your top end light level is, and the remainder of the lights will go to the linkage brightness that you have set. You may also set, similar to your individual fixtures, you'll recognize the similar color wheel and brightness bar, and also your motion and photo sensing functions. And for the whole group, you can now set whatever levels you so desire. Hit save. Set your color, set your brightness, save your auto brightness, and hit automatic, and your program will operate on its own based on the settings that you've saved. Now if you choose to not desire linkage, you can toggle that off and on right on your group bar. If you want to see what members are in your group, you can see which lights that have been brought in. If you want to take lights out of your group, simply deselect, or select members back into your group that you wish to keep. Again, you'll be brought back to choose a linkage brightness, and you're back in business. You can toggle your lights of your group on and off right on your group bar as well.